A complete guide on Axiom Pro, which is the newest trading platform at the moment. So let's get straight into it. So if you go into Pulse here at the very top, you can kind of see that it resembles Photon. But we have the new pair section. We have the final stretch and then we have the final migrated tokens. So new pairs is all the new pairs that have currently come out for Radium and Moonshot if you like. Here. Final stretch is the pairs that are about to migrate from Pom Pom or Moonshot onto Radium, and migrated is all the pairs that are on Radium or Radium that they have migrated. So if you go into here, this is the filters we can check here. We can just select the protocols if we want to. We can get Radium, Pom or Moonshot. I'd like to have only Pom. We have searched keywords, which is a cool feature. So if you want to only trade dog tokens, you can type in dog and click apply all and it will only show you tokens that have the word dog in it, which is very good to filter. You're trying to snipe an upcoming project and you only want to see that word, for instance. We can remove that. We have the bonding curve percentage. We have age, top 10 holding, snipers, insiders, bundle holders and pro traders. Pro traders are usually our goals, so to become pro trader, you need to have a positive P&L in the last 30 days. So if you see that there's a lot of pro traders trading a token, you can safely assume that it might pop off. But you obviously have to do your own research for that. So these are all the filters. I think these filters are a lot better than the ones off because it gives you a lot more flexibility, and as you can see, you can go up here at the top. You can do the filters for all trees. So final search migrated in new pairs. So that's yours right here. So once we go through that, we can go into trackers now. Axiom Pro actually has a built-in Twitter tracker, which is absolutely amazing. The way you access this is completely free. All you need to do is have 5 SOL of trading volume and you'll get access to this for free. So as you can see, it has a built-in Twitter tracker. It has a wallet checker. So these are all the walls I'm tracking, and if you don't want on this screen, you can actually just go back into Pulse and click wallet. Track a little window with wallet tracker. So you can have it while you're trading, which I'll show later, and then you can do the same for if you want like this, and you'll have a Twitter tracker here. They are going to add a feature where you can actually customize this Twitter tracker yourself. Follow, so you won't have to follow these accounts. You'll actually have the ability to add your own. So that's the Twitter tracker and the wallet tracker. We have perpetual, so anyone who likes to trade Binance features, you can actually do it built into Axiom Pro, and you don't need to use Binance or Kraken or any other platform to trade features. You can actually build into Axiom Pro. We have the yield feature here, which basically salon and get 6.3% happy, and this is coming soon. So if you want to stick your salon, you can do this built in as well. And then you have your portfolio, and then so in the reward section you earn points, and these points will be converted into the Axiom Pro airdrop that will be happening later. In a way, you level up. As you can see, I'm in here and I need to trade 474 SOL to reach platinum. But the cool thing about this is that the more you read, you actually get percentage of your trading volume back as SOL. So the more you try, SOL rewards you'll gain, and then you can also complete these quests on the side. Refer 20 people, trade 100 more SOL in value, make 100 more transactions, be used for the airdrop. So that's all the tabs. Now at the bottom we have the Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price and the Solana price at the moment, and if we go into now and click into any pair. So let's just go into Send AI for a minute. You can see it says connection is stable. So if you're trading in Europe, you can select here. These are the servers. You can select Europe. If it's trading Australia, you can do Australia or Asia. Here America, you can select the American servers, which will give you. So let's go over what we have here on the screen. So as you can see here, this is obviously a rook. So don't buy into this, but it's just an example. So this is your main trade chart. As you can see, we have information here like the pump phone, the Twitter, the website, the current market cap, the price, liquidity and supply. So this is your main window. This is all your traders. So as you can see, the green ones are the buys. The rent actually shows how long ago they were and if they were a developer or sniper. So as you can see, this is how deep bundle. So let's go into a normal coin for a guy. This is also a rogue. Let's go into Saliva AI. This is also a rogue. Sorry, we're just getting all these rugs now. Well, let's just keep it on book as a lot. So for instance, this is your positions if you have your positions. This is your thing about Axiom Pro is that it has bundle check built into it. So you don't have to go to any third-party website to check if it's bundled. It actually has it built in here. We can see the holders here. We can see the liquidity pool is holding 42% and the next folder is holding 5%. So this is your holders, and as you can see on the checker loads up, you can actually see the bubble naps here and make your own analysis leaving the trading window. So I've already discussed the trading window here. Next is your buying and selling. So as you can see, you can buy and sell and click Insta Trade and pop up the same as Bolex buy and sell window here. As you can see now, the way you want to edit this is if you just click into presets here, you want to click on slippage. I like to have a 25% and sell slippage. But I do use math protection for buying and I have priority and bribe at 0.0015 or both now if you want to edit these the way you do. This is you go up to this little pen at the top, right click pen, and then you can edit your values. As you can see here, I'll edit as well according to this. That's how you edit it, and the next thing we can look at is the token info, which is very cool. You can see that the top 10 holders is 0%, the snipers are holding 0%. But there's 8% narrative insiders and 30% of bundlers. So this is very cool because you can actually do all your analysis from this trading window. You don't have to click into in a different website. You can actually do everything from this one window, and as you can see, insiders and bundlers are very important. So these are very good. So if we go into Pulse, another cool thing they have is if you've traded before on Discord, Telegram, you can check if the Twitter has been reused. But this is actually the little orange icon here on the X. You can see that this Peppy had their username changed 10 months ago. So they've changed their username 3 times, and you can see that just by hovering over. You don't have any other platform, and you can see Small Dog here has 7 username changes. So they've released rogues for the past 8 months, as you can see. It's been 1 month, so they've released rogues before, so you can actually analyze that straight away by just looking at this X here. So you can see it says 7. So that means there is an image changes before and underneath that we can see top 10 holders 25%. Dev is still holding 5, snipers is 16%, insiders is 22%, and bundlers 28%, and this is the amount of holders. This is the amount of pro traders, and this is the amount of dev migrations. So what dev migrations means, if we click into it and click into DB, we can see that they've launched 1 token, and they've actually migrated 1 token. Well, if we click into anything else, let's see what else would be a scam here. Dev tokens, as you can see, this guy's launched 12 tokens before in 11, and 1 of them has migrated, so 8% of his tokens have migrated. So that's another way you can judge if the project's been reused, and they're just launching and launching and launching, and they're just rocking non-stop. So that's another cool feature if you want to use this platform. It's actually in buy only for the moment. They'll be releasing it in a couple of days, so you can click the link in the description, get a 10 discount on fees, and you'll get instant access to this platform. But yeah, overall, I think this will actually take over Bullix Neo, and this will be the #1 platform that people will go to. So yeah, if you have any questions, leave and I will answer it, and then leave a like and subscribe our videos on Axiom Trade, on Nova and Bullix, and giving my thoughts on all of it. Thank you.